Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a guide to data insights on TopSpot analytics tutorial for beginners. First is to sign up or log in into TopSpot.com. Next, connecting your data. For data integration, upload your data sets by connecting your data sources. For example, SQL, databases, Google Sheets, and cloud data. On data modeling, map your data to ensure ThoughtSpot understands the relationships between different datasets. For data refresh, set up automatic data refresh to keep your insights up to date. Next is exploring data with search. For search queries, in the search bar, type a simple question like, "What are the sales in Q1?" ThoughtSpot will automatically generate relevant charts. On refining queries, narrow down results by using filters or adding more details to your question. For AI-powered suggestions, ThoughtSpot suggests relevant data visualizations based on your search. On visualizing insight, for visualizations, choose from various types of charts and graphs. For pinboards, save your visualizations to pinboards for easy access. Sharing insights, share visualization or pinboards with team members or stakeholders. Now on generating reports. For custom reports, use your data insight to create detailed, customizable reports. For scheduling reports, set up automated report on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis to keep your team informed. And that's basically it.